Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Alicia and I am so happy to have you here. Today, I'm going to be guiding you through a practice that will help you connect to your throat chakra. When we get up to the throat chakra, things get a little more etheric. So oftentimes people can't connect into that chakra as much as they could the other lower chakras. So stay tuned, and by the end of this class, you will be able to connect fully with your throat chakra. All right, we'll begin our Kundalini yoga in seated pose. We will tune in with the Adi mantra, Ong Namo Gurudev Namo. It means I bow to the divine wisdom within. Kundalini yoga is a devotional practice to your body, to your mind, and to your soul. Let's begin. Hands together at the heart. Deep breath in to chant. Ong Namo Gurudev Namo. Ong Namo Gurudev Namo. Ong Namo Gurudev Namo. Keeping your eyes closed, floating your hands down, resting your hands on your knees. Connecting through the sits bones, lengthen through the spine. Drop your shoulders back and down. Tuck your chin slightly towards your chest. And take your awareness all the way to the crown of your head, allowing your spine to fully lengthen. From the base of the spine, I invite you to take a nice deep breath into the crown. Exhale, send your awareness down the front of your body, down into the root, and inhale back up to the crown. Do that breath pattern 3 more times. Let's begin by taking some gentle neck circles. Take 3 one way, 3 the next. And next we'll do some Sufi grinds, getting the energy flowing in the lower chakras. So taking your hands to your knees, as you inhale, sweep your chest forward. Exhale, round through the shoulder blades. You almost want to grab hold of your knees here as you shift from side to side. And switching directions. And back through center. We'll come on to all fours. Wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. Begin your cat-cows. Inhale, dropping the belly, chest comes forward. Exhale, tuck the chin to the chest, drop the head towards the mat, find your cat. Continuing to move, following the speed of your breath. Take 2 more. Sitting back on your knees. Placing your hands down. We're going to come and do a fiery breath of fire to really get things started here. So breath of fire is panting breath through the nose while we pump our belly, closing down your eyes, focusing on your third eye. If you begin to get lightheaded or dizzy, please come to long, deep breathing. Setting the intention to elevate your energy, to activate your deeper knowing, and to connect with your throat chakra. Take a nice deep breath in, squeeze your glutes, squeeze your core, channel that energy all the way up to the crown of your head. Squeeze, lift, give yourself that inner bear hug, elevate your energy. And exhale. Feeling into your body here, feeling into your energy. Feel your heightened awareness. We'll come forward into our tabletop and then tuck our toes to make our way into our downward facing dog. Holding here, we're going to come into a down dog flow. So this will be a deep breath in. Come forward through plank and into your cobra. Exhale. Inhale, push back up. Exhale, move forward. We lit the fire with our breath of fire, and now we're transferring all of that energy up through all of our energy centers in our body, dispersing it evenly so that we have access to all of ourself. Let's do 3 more. And we'll meet in our down dog. Close down your eyes if you can. Send your gaze into your third eye. Iron out your breath. Float down. Come into a comfortable seat, getting a pillow if you would like. We're going to connect with the energy of our throat chakra now. Taking your left hand in front of the throat, palm facing out. Right hand's going to come, clasp it here. This is called bear grip. So you've got a nice tight grip here. You don't need to pull too hard. Just feel firm and steady. Inhale, we're going to twist to the left. Exhale to the right as you move your right elbow in front. Once you've got the motion here, keeping the level, keeping your arms right in front of the throat so they're truly anchoring into this energy, close down your eyes and get into it. Recommit if the posture's gotten a little sloppy. Straighten out the arms, clasp the hands tightly. Maybe go a little deeper with your stretches to each side. Almost there. And come through center. Keep your hands lifted and bound. Take a nice deep breath in. We're going to squeeze Mula Bandha. We're going to channel our energy up and we're going to pull our hands apart at the same time. Moving out vertically and horizontally with our energy. Deep breath in. Squeeze, lift, pull. Channel, elevate, activate, my friend. Slowly relax, release. 2 more times. Deep breath in. Squeeze, lift, pull. And final round. And slowly melting your hands down. Palms facing up on the knees. Relax your shoulders. Lengthen through the spine. Relax your jaw. Let any tension go that's holding in the thighs. The energy center of your throat, known as Vishuddha, it begins to move up into the etheric realm. So these things are not as tangible. Once we've crossed the heart bridge, I almost see little feet sort of begin to float up. You know, I get a picture of like a person holding on to a heart-shaped balloon, and they begin to float off the earth by holding this balloon that's filled with helium and moving up into the throat, into the ethers, into the unseen. So I want you to connect here with a memory of a time that you wanted to speak up about something that you thought wasn't right, or that you thought there was a better way. And now, behind that better way, behind what you believe, is your values. And maybe you didn't speak up because you were afraid people would get mad, or people wouldn't like you, or judge you, or you're shy, and these are all ways that our throat chakra becomes blocked. When we have been imposed on by the outside world, and so we've learned to behave in a certain way, to not maybe take up too much room, not make too much noise. So considering this and doing practices and reflecting on your values is helpful for you, but also the rest of the world. Because many will be served. They might be uncomfortable, but they will be more served by you speaking your truth than by you holding back. And when you do so, you also make it okay for others to do it as well. We'll bring our hands together. We end with a mantra, Sat Nam. Truth is my essence. Deep breath into chant. Sat Nam. Sat Nam, beautiful being of light, of love. Thank you so much for sharing your time and energy with me today. I do hope that that has helped you connect to your throat chakra. If it's your first time here, I invite you to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and let me know how you got on in the comments. If you are looking for more help on your yoga journey, I will leave some links in the description below for you to check out. Thank you again for being here, for being you, for showing up. Take sweet care. Bye.